My name is Austin Donovan. I am the general manager here at the Bowling Center in the K-State Student Union Bowling Center, or the K-State Student Union. But I nominated Jenna Sorenson. I nominated her because being down here at the Bowling Center, she is a first call employee. She's one that is going to step up. Jenna is responsible for taking care of customers as they come in, greeting them, making sure they have a great experience. She's also in charge of doing trainings for new hires, as well as making phone calls for groups that are coming in and everything to make sure they're attended to, as well as do the day-to-day operations that I need help and assisted with. There was a wall that definitely needed repainting and everything, so we spent one whole shift repainting. But she made the comment that we had to get this done, or else we should not be open. So in turn, I ran to Home Depot, we got ourselves some paintbrushes, and we got the wall painted that night. Jenna is that ideal employee that you would want to have. She always steps up to the plate to help with any projects, whether that is getting your hands dirty or just the day-to-day operations.